You know, vegetables need a little bit of love too. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to grill some amazing cauliflower steaks on my Weber gas grill. So first things first, let's fire up the grill. Tiny bit of prep to do. Let's get cooking. Okay, the grill is all clean, ready to go. First things first, we will fire up burner number 1, fire up burner number 2, and fire up burner number 3. Now, we're gonna preheat this today to 400 degrees. That's gonna be our cooking temperature. So we'll close the lid, we'll let it heat up to 400. Ingredients today, very simple. We're gonna start off with nice big heads of cauliflower. We've got 2 of those here for you. Simple, olive oil. And now I know we have a lot of different rubs and seasonings available at your local Ace today. I'm using my very own Rub-a-Dub, keeping it simple and low sugar so that while these are on the grill, we don't cause them any burning issues. We have our cauliflower washed and cleaned and ready to go. Now, I'm not even worried about the stem yet or the leaf or the stalk end of it, because what I'm going to do is just carefully with a long sharp knife start cutting these into steaks, and then I will trim off any of the bottom pieces next. Just makes it so much easier, and then you actually get to see right where you need to go a lot better like that. So, as you can see, we've got a little bit of trimming work to do here. Guess what? This is literally all I do. Just like that, I make a little cut. I pop that off. Pop that off. Yep, there we go. Cauliflower steak. We'll add that to there, and then I'll show you how we do the other one as well. So again, make a cut right at the end there. Peel that off, and cauliflower steak, just like that. All right, we'll finish the rest of these, and then we'll show you how we get them seasoned, prepped, and ready for the grill. All right, now that we have the steaks cut, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle them with olive oil. Like we always say, the olive oil is gonna do 2 things for us. It's going to act as a release agent, right? Helping them not stick to the grill. Also gonna act as a binder, helping our rub stick to there as well. So we'll go ahead and add that oil just like that. Let it kind of do its thing. And then carefully, just a light coat of Rub-a-Dub on each side, because we don't wanna go too heavy yet. We wanna make sure that our rub doesn't burn, doesn't get too dark, because these are gonna sit on the grill for a little while. So start the foundation of flavor with a little bit of rub. We'll go ahead and flip it over to the other side. We're all preheated. We'll open the grill. We start adding our cauliflower steaks. Now listen, if your cauliflower steaks happen to break into cauliflower pieces, like a couple of mine have done, don't sweat it, because you know what? At the end of the day, we're still eating delicious cauliflower. All right, now that we have these added on here, we'll go ahead and close the grill. We're gonna let them go at 400 degrees for about 7 minutes. We'll come back and check them then. Here we are right after 7 minutes. Let's give them a flip. Look at that. Starting to see a little bit of tender, also getting a little bit of grill marks as well. So we'll go ahead and get all these flipped. Uh-oh, those broke. Don't worry about it. Cauliflower pieces are still delicious. So are cauliflower steaks. We'll go ahead and get all these flipped, and we will let them go another 7 minutes on this next side. We should be pretty close to done. We're gonna judge their doneness today by tenderness, if you will. Now that we have them all flipped, we'll go ahead and give just a little coat of oil on this top side. Not too much, just a little bit. We wanna add a little bit more to that just to give some moisture, a little bit of flavor, and get everything set. All right, now we're gonna let these go another 7 minutes on this side, and we're gonna judge them by tenderness. Like I said, hey, you get a few little pieces, don't worry about it. We have steaks, we have cauliflower florets. Beautiful thing. Well, here we are after 7 minutes on this side, and look at that. I'm just checking their tenderness. See how easy that knife goes in? We know we are nice and tender and nice and ready to go. Yeah, I like that a lot. So we'll go ahead and pull these off, get them in the kitchen. We're done. Not a bad way to eat your vegetables at all. Hey, and speaking of vegetables, if you're looking for more amazing recipes to cook vegetables on your Weber grill, stay tuned, because coming up, I'm gonna show you how to use the Weber Crafted Roasting Basket.